Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Defender D250, first edition 90 in Pangea Green. This car's previously had two owners and is next due for a service in March 2023. As it's part of our approved use, you get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the car and then I'll show you inside the vehicle. So you have premium LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, giving the car a real modern exterior. You have 20-inch 5-split spoke sparkle silver finish alloys. Going into the back of the vehicle, you've got plenty of space there for 3 passengers, along with ISOFIX brackets, which is ideal for families, and a centre armrest for maximum comfort. Going in towards your boot, you have a fair bit of space there for all your personal items. An electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one, and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. Continuing around the car, you also have a white contrasting roof, privacy glass and keyless entry. Going into the driver's side, you have first edition tread plates, electrically adjustable front seats, a leather steering wheel and an acorn part leather interior, along with a sliding panoramic roof, which allows a lot more light into the car. This vehicle's done 3,492 miles. That's the end of the 360 tour, so now I'm going to show you inside the car. On your right you have memory seats, perfect if there's several people driving the vehicle, along with a Meridian sound system for better quality sound, and blind spot monitor, which is practical for motorway driving. Different controls on your wheel, including a heated steering wheel, which is perfect for winter. Speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, which is ideal for long journeys. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go, and voice control. On the screen in front of you, you can view your vehicle, media, trip, display. In the middle, you have a touchscreen with different functions, including sat-nav and DAB radio, along with the heated front seats, which are definitely a luxury, especially in winter. You also have a 3D surround camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. And you can also change the angle that you want to see the camera from. Valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control, keeping things like your address safe. And you can also control your tow bar from inside the car, which saves you even having to get out. You've got a 2-zone climate control, allowing both passengers in the front to set their own temperature, along with air suspension, so you've got higher for off-roading, in the middle for just general driving, and lower to make it easier to get in and out. Different charging ports. You also have a Clearsight interior rear view mirror. That's your mirror that can also be a camera if you can't see out the back window for any reason. Stepping back outside the car, thank you for watching this video on this stunning Defender D250 first edition 90 in Pangea Green, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.